Welcome, beautiful people. I am 𝐏𝐫𝐞. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. For today's video, we're about to install this unit from MyFirstWig.com. So I want to show you guys what I got in the package that you can get on the website. So I got some hair accessories, combs. We got the wig band, the elastic wig band that I used to melt my lace frontals. We got a wig cap and some other necessities. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. And let me tell you something about MyFirstWig lace. Okay, the lace is invisible, the knots already bleached for you, the wig is already customized. Like, you literally don't have anything else to do but to install this wig. So all the customization is already done. And this is their 4C natural edge Yaki texture bob wig, and it also comes with a band on the inside so you could wear it glueless, which is perfect if you don't feel like installing the wig every single day. So I want to show you guys what the lace is looking like. Look at the knots. That is giving super natural. Now this wig in its natural state is a middle part, but I'm more of a side part type of girly. So we're about to do a swoop. We're about to do a side bang because, like, we need the eye to be covered. Like, that's our style. That's how my face works. Like, I love a side, deep side part bob. So I'm just going to take my hot comb just to mold the hair in that direction since it was made in a middle part. So what I did is I used the wax stick that also came in the package, and I just mold the hair how I want it, then go in with the hot comb, and the hair is laid. Like, the bob is not stiff wear, no ma'am. Like, this bob is moving. Like, look at her moving with me barely touching her. She's just flowing, and I love that. So I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to the flyaway, so I'm just going to keep combing that until it's laid for the gods. Now, I am not a ball cap type of girlies. Like, the other day I did ball cap, and let me tell you something. Doing any other type of wig glue situation is not for me. Like, I like to just dab some water on my wig and take it off at night. Like, I can't with the extraness. No ma'am, no ma'am. I like a quick, easy go. You feel me? So I just stick my hair back with some edge control, and this is the wig knot. It's like a thing to make the knots invisible, but honestly I really didn't need it for this lace because it was already like invisible knots, but I just wanted to use it to show you guys what it looks like. And then I went in with some powder since I am wearing makeup, and I did a little bit of contouring. I wanted to make sure that it was matching my face. If I wasn't wearing makeup, I wouldn't have done any of that, but we needed to match what is happening up here. So I tightened the band, and I'm gonna stick the wig on. I want to show you what it looks like. This is what the wig would look like if it was glueless. If I'm not going to use any type of product in there, the wig is sitting. Okay, sitting. And then I'm trying to rub out the extra stuff that I did because, as I said, I really didn't need to use it because the wig was just flawless as is. And this is what the edges look like. So what the purpose of the 4C edge with this wig is to give, like, if I was to perm my hair but not all the way through, like if I was to do a texturization to my natural hair, this is what it would look like. This is what the mimicking they're going for. This is what the look is for, to make it look like, you know, it's not super sleek. We want it to look natural, like as if I had my hair blown out and then I flat ironed it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not all the time we want to flat iron our hair. So, you know, this wig's supposed to give us a more natural type of look. So I like to cut around my ear first just to make sure everything is aligned. And you do this also if you want to wear the wig glueless. Like, once you get around them corners together and tighten the wig, it will be sitting. Look how natural that hairline is. Natural. Oh my god, like I got tongue twisted trying to explain that. Anywho, girl, we're gonna go in with some EBIN spray because this is my best friend and she is harmless. If it's something I need to use to take off my wig, I need to use alcohol, this dissolving thingy-majig, all that. No, I do not want it. Give me some water to remove it. Like, I'm fine. Unless you're gonna go somewhere that you need your hair to be glued onto your brain, maybe, but I don't need that. Okay, I don't need that right now. It's not summer yet. It's not super hot. I need something light and easy and quick. Then I go in with the blow dryer. Then we're going to use the band to tie that down. And when she is tied down for just a couple of minutes, she will be melted. So I'm going to tie it down and leave it on for like a couple of minutes, maybe like 2 minutes tops. And then I remove the band, and then we're going to cut off the excess lace. Now, once the excess lace is removed, I did have some lifting because I had to see what was going on. So what we're going to do is spray a little bit of the EBIN spray on our fingertips and just dab that on the areas that was lifted. Then we're going to tie it back down with the band. And for my side part, I need some curls. I need a voom voom voom. I need a little bit of flair. So I'm going to go in with my curling iron to curl it. And even though this hair is Yaki texture, it holds the curls in the front really well. Like, it was giving swoop, it was giving bangs, okay? It was giving very much soft bangs, soft curls in the front. I got this hair in 10 inches. It is 130% density, and even though the density seems less on paper, it was so full and it was giving natural. So now I've changed my clothes, changed my earrings, all that good stuff. It's time to finish up the style. So I'm just gonna take this tail comb and just swoop her up, you know what I'm saying? And then I was looking like, okay, some parts of it is looking a little bit flat, so we need to fluff it up. So we're gonna go in with the curling iron here and there just to give her some fluff. She needs a little bit of fluff, you know, to complete the look. Then I'm gonna go in with some makeup because, as I said, I didn't really need to use that cream thingamajig, so it was too late to wipe it off from underneath. So I went in with some bronzing powder on the parting just to make it look a little bit more natural. And I'm just gonna play around the hair until I am satisfied with the final look. And this is our final look. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. It is bomb diggity fresh with this bob. All the details will be in the description box down below. I love y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.